Okay, so this is my PS2, and I just broke the warranty today, the warranty sticker. I've never had it serviced or repaired or cleaned or anything, and this is well over 20 years. And this is also a different style PS2 than what I've been researching on YouTube. And I'm trying to find one that is like this, and I haven't been able to yet. So I'm not going to do a serious clean, I'm just going to do what I can do, and I'll leave it. But the biggest problem I have is with this tray, it sticks. But it runs. Everything runs. I take care of my stuff. But this is totally different than what I've seen on YouTube. I kind of wanted to document this. So if you're running this problem, I really can't help you because I haven't gone that far. And I don't have any compressed air yet. I got to get a couple of cans because it needs a big clean. I've just been doing what I can with Q-tips to get the fan clean and in front. And the reason why I'm cleaning it is because not only does it need it, my Xbox One supply unit had to go in to get repaired, and it's coming back this week. I'll go pick up sometime this week, so I needed something so I can watch movies with, because my Xbox One did all the movie playing and all my Netflix playing, so now I've got to use this. And I totally forgot about this tray thing, and it's never been cleaned, and it was filthy dirty. Anyway, you should have seen the crap that came out of it. Not as bad as what you've seen on YouTube, trust me, but bad enough. So this is totally different. Like if you look at this and you do a couple of research videos, you'll find that this is totally different, 100%. And I haven't been able to find anything yet, but I haven't done a lot of research. I've only been doing minor research on the Fat Body PS2, so mine is totally different. I'm just going to pretty much put it back together so I can watch movies, and hopefully the tray is working a little bit. I do want to put some paste on here. I do have Teflon paste, but I'm not sure what kind of paste they use. I've heard guys using oil. I got some paste upstairs that I use on vehicles and heavy trucks for electronic stuff, but I don't know if you can use it for this kind of stuff. I imagine you could, but I'm not 100% sure, so I just got to do some more research. Anyways, I want to do a quick documentation because this thing has never been opened. The factory sticker has never been broken until today, and for me that's a big deal. Another thing is, this is totally different. What else is different? The tray doesn't detach. If it does, I don't know how to do it. And this here, and the back is totally different. This here I can't actually pull out. I have to lift the tray up in order to get this out. And this is all one solid piece back here. So what I'm looking for is the screws. There's only 2 long screws in here, the rest are all short. And when you cut the factory sticker, it's right here. And it's totally different when you cut it than the videos that I've seen. So I'll do a quick documentary on this, and yeah, I'll be back to do another video, because as soon as I get some compressed air, I'm going to get back into here and do a better cleaning and see about putting paste on there, and I'll do another quick vid.